Hey everybody, Jim Davis from Fluke Networks here at InfoComm in Las Vegas. Thanks for joining us. I'm a product application specialist, and today we're going to take a look at fiber optic cables. Now, I have a video microscope here, and we're looking at the core and the cladding of this multi-mode fiber, and it's clean and in good condition. I'm going to take this fiber and I'm going to attach it into this coupler, and then let's take a look at this other fiber, which is unfortunately quite dirty. We can tell it's dirty because it has this X on it. Ooh, yes, quite dirty. It has that X on it. Now, what I want to caution you about is if we don't inspect the fiber and we plug the dirty fiber into the clean fiber, they touch under there. And now we're going to get the coffee cup stain on what had been our clean fiber. Just get that on there, adjust the focus, and you see that the dirt has been transferred from the dirty fiber to the clean fiber, hence our interest to inspect the fibers to make sure they're clean. These dots all around are not going to improve the transmission of light, and so we'll just give this a click, clean it up. Now, after we give it a click, we want to inspect it. We want to inspect it one more time, just bring that back into focus to make sure it's clean and ready to go. So there's a quick demonstration of how we inspect fiber optic cables. I'm Jim Davis with Fluke Networks here at the InfoComm show. Go to flukenetworks.com for more information on fiber inspection and cleaning. Thanks for watching.